Hey food lovers, welcome back to our chicken tikka series. And this is episode 3 out of 5. Today we are making a super juicy, tangy and flavorful lemon chicken tikka. If you are someone who is following a diet or looking for a high protein recipe, then this is a perfect dish to include in your meal plan. It is easy, delicious and packed with flavors. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's prepare the first marination. Chicken tikka tastes best when you give it a proper time to marinate. So today we are doing two marination for maximum flavors. Here I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken. Into it, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Now add some fresh lemon zest. Make sure you grate only the green outer skin and not the white inner part. Otherwise, it can turn bitter. Next, add fresh ginger garlic paste. Then add fresh green chili paste. Add salt to taste and mix everything nicely so every piece gets coated evenly. Now let's this rest in refrigerator for 1 hour, and if you're short on time, at least keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare the second marination. I have already soaked some cashew nuts, so let's grind them into a smooth paste. To get that beautiful natural lemon color on the chicken, heat some mustard oil and add a little turmeric powder into it. Let the oil cool slightly. Now in a bowl, let's start making the marination. Add 1 tablespoon of hung curd, add the cashew paste, half lemon juice, finely chopped coriander, some more lemon zest, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and now add the mustard oil mixed with turmeric. Mix everything nicely with your hand. And you see the beautiful lemon yellow color, and we achieved this completely with simple kitchen ingredients. Now add this marination to the chicken. Give it a good mix and coat each and every piece really well. Finally add freshly crushed black pepper powder. Now let's press this again in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Honestly, patient marination gives the best flavor, and if possible, marinate it overnight for even more juicy and flavorful chicken tikka. After 1 hour, let's check the chicken. Look at that beautiful lemon yellow color. Now the chicken is ready to cook. Take wooden squares and start threading the chicken pieces one by one. Chicken is soft so that you can easily pierce into it. And our chicken skewers are ready. Today I am making this on a pan, but you can also use an air fryer. Place all the chicken tikka skewers on the pan. Cook on a medium flame, but initially keep the flame slightly high so the chicken gets firm from outside while staying juicy and tender inside. Now add the leftover marination on the top, add a little mustard oil and let it cook. Keep turning the tikka so it cooks evenly from all the sides. Again apply the remaining marination while cooking. If the chicken is marinated well, it usually takes around 15 minutes to cook perfectly. See, it is perfectly cooked. And finally, before serving, add a little butter on the top for extra flavor. And our delicious lemon chicken tikka is ready to serve. Sprinkle some chaat masala on top and enjoy this juicy, tangy, and protein rich chicken tikka. Since this tikka already has a refreshing lemon flavor, I personally like serving it with fresh salad. You can also enjoy it with any chutney of your choice. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And do check our other episodes from our chicken tikka series. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, सीखते रहे, खाते रहे और खिलाते रहे.